Jason Dewall here with Whitecap. This is my buddy Ray Sullivan from OCM. Ray, we'd really like to talk to you. There are billion-dollar spends going into the infrastructure area, specifically road and bridge right now. And that's a sweet spot for you guys, right, at OCM?
Absolutely it is. This year, especially second half, calendar year 2023, will be just the tip of the iceberg of spending into infrastructure, where we will start to see it come through to our types of products to start going on jobs.
Okay.
It really will be 24, 25, 26, and 27. Literally about 5 years, 4.5, 5 years, where that will be the meat of it. So really 24 on. But
we're getting warmed up. We're just getting warmed up,
right? Just a huge amount of time.
Okay.
So a lot of opportunity out there.
Sure, sure. Well, and so let's talk a bit like you accessories on top of your accessories, some that work in conjunction with one another. Sure. Walk us through.
Absolutely. So it's all available. Our field reps, sales managers are ready and available to help with this kind of thing. But basically what you want to understand is there's some differences between the products. There's continuous supports, which are 2.5 foot or 5 foot sections, and they would snap together for continuous runs.
Sure.
So then you can place the rebar across in a grid fashion, and then, for example, if you needed a secondary, what we call a double mat, you then come with this, a slab bolster upper out of plastic. This is actually a newer product. It's actually patented. Based on how we connect it for continuous runs.
What type of situation would I be in where I decided I better go with this? Like
so these right here, because they just have the feet, this would be in contact with the wood surface. So obviously the benefits of plastic: lightweight, easy to use, carry more, and they're never going to rust.
Yeah.
Right? So think of all the road and bridge failures we've had in this country and the aging infrastructure. That's an example. That's also why plastic is making such a push in the market versus metal, because you don't have the risk of those structural issues. Yeah.
You can't beat it. I tell you what, OCM, concrete accessories, road and bridge projects, they'll do the training. You heard them. OCM will take care of you, and they're a great Whitecap partner. Stop by any of our stores. We got you covered. Thanks, Ray.
Thank you very much.